न च श्रोत्रजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे।
A house can be bought, walls can be built, keys can be handed over in a single moment. But a home is something that unfolds with time. It is shaped by intention, by memory, by ritual, by the quiet hope that the space you enter each day will protect you, hold you, and allow you to grow. In the Hindu tradition, a house becomes a home only when it is spiritually awakened, when prayer, fire, and community come together to invite peace into every corner. This film documents a Griha Shanti Puja, a ceremony performed not just to bless a structure, but to harmonize a life within it. This house was purchased months ago. Life moved in quickly, work schedules, responsibilities, daily routines, and yet, something essential still waited: the blessing. So today, the family returns with intention to pause, to gather, and to formally welcome peace into their home. Before the ceremony, a Hindu astrologer was consulted. Time itself was honored. A Shubh Muhurat was chosen, an auspicious moment aligned with cosmic rhythm and balance. The preparation begins at the threshold. The entrance is adorned with garlands and sacred symbols, not merely decoration, but an invitation for prosperity, for positivity, for divine presence to step inside. As morning arrives, the Griha Shanti Puja begins. A Hindu priest leads the rituals, guiding the ceremony through ancient Vedic chants, sounds passed down through generations, carrying meaning older than memory. The family room transforms. What was once an everyday space becomes sacred ground. Flowers and fruits are offered, and at the center, a haven is lit. The sacred fire, fire that purifies, fire that transforms, fire that carries prayers upward, turning intention into offering. During the Shanti Puja, fasting is observed, not only by the homeowners, but by family members and relatives participating in the rituals. They consume only water, milk, or plain tea, choosing restraint, focus, and devotion until the ceremony is complete. Even as prayers continue, another form of devotion unfolds quietly: the preparation of food. In Hindu tradition, cooking for a ceremony is not routine. It is seva, an offering in itself. The meal is strictly vegetarian and sattvic, prepared without onion or garlic, preserving purity, simplicity, and balance. Family members work side by side, each dish carrying nourishment, abundance, and togetherness. When the haven is complete, the atmosphere begins to shift, from silence to sound, from ritual to celebration. After the haven, a mixture of sacred water infused with elements of Panchagavya, a traditional blend of cow-derived substances revered for their purifying and sanctifying qualities, was gently sprinkled around the perimeter of the home and into every corner, symbolically cleansing the space of inauspicious energies and inviting harmony, protection, and positive life force into the dwelling. Bhajans rise within the home, devotional songs filled with rhythm and reverence. Traditional instruments join the singing, the steady beat of the maidal, the flowing melody of the Bansuri, the gentle shimmer of the Jayamta. There is no stage, no audience, no performer, only participation, only unity, only shared joy. This moment marks a transition from formal prayer to collective celebration. After the bhajans, the priest offers tika, placing a mark of blessing and protection upon the forehead. The janai, the sacred thread, is then tied around the wrist, a symbol of guidance, responsibility, and spiritual continuity. In return, the homeowner and host step forward. They offer tika to the priest and present dakshina, an act of gratitude, humility, and respect. A quiet exchange. Blessings returned with honor. Next comes panchamrit, a sacred mixture of milk, yogurt, honey, ghee, and sugar, first offered to the deities invoked during the Shanti Puja, then shared with the family. It symbolizes purity, nourishment, balance. Naivedya is offered soon after, food presented to the divine, later shared as prasad. Blessings received, gratitude returned. Prasad is then shared among everyone present, followed by a communal meal, marking the end of fasting and the beginning of life within the home, now sanctified. What makes this ceremony especially meaningful is not only the ritual, but the people, relatives, friends, neighbors, different cultures, different backgrounds, gathered together in harmony. With prayers completed, music shared, and blessings received, the ceremony comes to a gentle close, not as an ending, but as a beginning. This is Griha Shanti, a ceremony of peace, a gathering of cultures, and a reminder that wherever we live, our roots live with us.